Good evening, my YouTube friends and family. This is Brian Kelly, and I'm reporting to you from my office chair here downstairs in my basement in Garner, North Carolina. Excuse me. Just want to say thank you so much for deciding to take a look at one of my videos here. I want to do a really quick video because I get questions from people all the time asking me, what do I do to advertise to make money, and how do I get going with this thing? So I kind of wanted to run over it with you, and so I'll be real quick here. So I use a variety of things, but I'm going to talk about Facebook right now because Facebook is free, it's easy. People say, well, I don't do Facebook. Well, guess what? Start doing Facebook because you have to get out of your zone of shyness or I can't do it. Bite the bullet. Step out of the box and do something differently because things that you fear, you have to just not suppress that fear, just break through that fear and do it. Okay, just do it. You can't walk around in fear all the time. You just can't do that. That's not going to work. That's not going to help you out in life. So, let's go here real quick here. So, basically, this is my personal Facebook site. All right. And what I do is I go to the very top, the little search area there, and I type in make money online. And when I did that, it came to this site right here. I forget what it is. And what I do is I just type a basic ad like this: make 500 per week. Very easy to do. Ask me how. Now, once a person sees that, what they're going to do is they'll say, like the bottom here where it says comment, they're going to say how. And what I'll do is I'll be notified whenever they, answer to that, and then I'll send them like a Facebook message or something, and I'll have my website. So now what happens is the next step is they go to my website, and I'm gonna go to it right now. All right, so go here and let me go to the top. Hold on for 1 second, guys. All right. Okay. All right. So basically, what happens is they don't go to this site here. They go to an opt-in page. So it allows them to put their name and their email address in. They hit enter, and then what happens is it takes them to this page right here. Okay. All right, right here. And so then the first thing they do is they see step number 1, watch the message from PHN founder, Bruce. So what happens is they will look at this video. It looks like it's 12 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay. All right. And then, hold on a second. Okay. And then, once they watch that video, the video is very good. He explains the program from A to Z. It's really good. And once they do that, then they will go to, hold on a second. They will go to, I got this camera in one hand and trying to do multitask. I'm not good at multitasking. All right, then go to step 2, watch compensation plan in this system video. So now this video here is really important. It talks about box 2, the importance of box 2, and it breaks it down. And I'm gonna tell you, you watch this video a couple times, you won't be able to sleep because I'm telling you guys, being in box 2 is off the chain. That's where you make a ton of money. Okay, right now I make more sales per week in my box 2 than I make my box 1. And the reason why is because I recruited a lot of people, and those folks are going out and they are actually promoting the business, and they're making sales, and by default, once they make sales, I get paid. It's insane. I'm getting more payments on my box 2 than I make in my box 1. And the great thing about it is there's nothing like getting money in the mail or via Cash App or via PayPal when you're not expecting it. it's nothing like at 2 o'clock in the morning, my phone goes ping, and someone sent me, $100 via my Cash App. I mean, this has happened like a lot of times, okay? And it's just a great, great feeling. And in this video here, it explains exactly how the compensation plan works, and you get a full understanding of it, of how things work here. So now, then people will next, after they watch this video, then they'll go to step number 3. Step number 3 is pretty simple. We'll call the recorded message line. Most people have already done this, but if you're not, after this message is over, call that number. That number is a recording of Bruce. He's the owner. He's talking about the program in great detail. And what you can do while you're listening to the message, you can just watch this. You can look at the flyer here. He has a good flyer. He talks about the benefits. See some of the benefits here. Look there. Handle the calls, emails, texts. I mean, it's like, this thing is like, it's very, very thorough. I really like it because it's a great program that it pays really well, and I love the automation. Nothing like automation. This part here talks about the membership levels and everything. All right, and then we're gonna go to step 4. Now, step 4 is the getting started. So basically, I'm going to show you this real quick. So basically, you're going to have this little red button right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on that red button. Boom. So please, this thing has been acting slow today. Okay, it's loading up. Okay. Let's go. Okay, hold on. All right, here we go. So this is a PDF. Okay, you'll load this on your machine. It's very simple to do. It takes like 2 minutes to do that. What I'm gonna do is go down. All right, so this is my personal flyer. Okay, see me in box number 1, and Patty and the Prosperity in box number 3. So what's gonna happen is, soon as when you have this website, you'll have your personalized flyer loaded on this website. So when a person clicks on that little red button, it'll take them directly to your personalized flyer, and at that point they can print it off and they can mail it in, or however they want to do it. Okay, so this is basically how this whole thing works. This whole website thing works. And so I'll make a couple of points. Okay, so let me see. Hold on for 1 second. Let me go back down here. Okay. I'll run over this real quick. So, all right. So if you want to get a site like this, all you have to do is go to the very bottom, click this thing, get a site like this, and then it'll walk you through, and it will allow you to get a site like this. Now, if you're going to join my team, I mean, it's not mandatory, but I mean, it's like 99.999% mandatory that you get a site like this. And the reason why is because this is going to allow you to make the most money. This website is extremely professional and covers everything. It has all the bells and whistles. It's going to explain to your prospect exactly what the program is all about. Once your prospect looks at the videos on here and goes to his website, they are going to be well educated and well versed on what this program is all about. The point of the matter is, I don't want you having to explain anything. We have the website, we have this automation to do that on your behalf. Now, when the reason why people don't join programs is because it's always in the back of their mind. They say to themselves, this looks really good, but can I really do this? They don't tell you that, but they're saying, can I really do this? If they're having to go out and sell and, go to meetings and get on conference calls and things like that, things are really manual. People don't want to do that. Most people have jobs. When they get off their jobs, man, they don't want to get another job. They don't want to get on, an hour conference call. I mean, who wants to do that? I mean, they're tired. They want to spend time with their family. But what this thing here is, when you get this website, your only, and people don't believe this, but your only responsibility, literally, is to share your website. Get people to come to your personalized website. Once they get to the personalized website, the first thing they're going to do is they're going to put their name and their email address in. Hit the enter button. It's going to take them inside this website right here. Now, once they opt in, something magical happens. They will receive autoresponder messages, and in those messages that they're going to be receiving is going to be your website. So you have to understand something. People don't always buy on the first site. Maybe it takes them a while, but what's going to happen is those messages are going to be dripping to them on a daily, or maybe not a daily basis, but I think it's like every other day, and it's going to keep reminding them, and it's going to have your website in there. So that's what you want, okay? That is exactly what you want. And so the website with the videos, with the PDF, with the autoresponder messages, it's a really good system that you can implement and put it in place. So all you're really doing is, you're going to Facebook or you're going to Instagram, you're placing free ads. It doesn't cost you one single penny. You just type in at the top business opportunity groups or make money online or make money working from home. When you hit there, it comes up hundreds of these different groups, and you can sign up for free. It don't cost you anything. And what it is, you have people on, within those groups that have opportunities, but there are also people looking for ways to make money. So you're going to get a great response from, when you decide to do that. So you just place ads, people will respond to your ad, you simply send them your website, they go and they log in, they opt in, takes them in here, they watch the movies, the 2 videos, they look at the PDF, and they're at that time they're well versed on what's going on. They may give you a call and say, hey, where do I send the money to? And that's basically it, guys. That's what I do on a daily basis. I'm not some super special person. I just am consistent. I just place my my website address everywhere. I'm not, I don't, prejudge anyone. I simply share. And the whole thing is this, you want to build a pipeline of people, okay? A pipeline of people because, once you do that, then you may have initially maybe have 5 or 10, but down the road you're gonna have hundreds and thousands of people over a period of time. And you got to understand something too. Those people are going to be getting those autoresponder messages, and when they decide to join the program, they're going to be joining under you. And that when that happens, you're going to be getting some serious money coming directly to your doorstep. Okay, not only that, but once those folks get involved and they start recruiting and they get a website like this, guess what? You're going to be in their box too, and then you're going to start getting money coming to your mailbox on a daily basis, and you don't know who it's from. There's nothing better. I'm telling you guys, there's nothing better than going to the mailbox, open your mailbox, and you have a second-day priority mail in there, and you don't know who it's from. You open it up, and you're like, "Who is this person?" And you see that you're in box 2. I'm telling you guys, that has happened to me so many times. I have gone to the mailbox. I've gotten, several not checks, but like money orders, and even cash for $50, for $200, for $600. It's crazy, and I don't even know where these people are coming from. They don't call me. They don't contact me. I just get stuff on Cash App, on PayPal, through second-day priority mail. I'm not complaining, man. Trust me, I'm not complaining at all. I'm just amazed at how this system works, how it actually works. But it all starts with you taking action and getting started. If you're one of those skeptical people that say, "Oh, this is a scam. This is a scam." Well, you know what? Your mind is a scam. Okay, your mind is a scam. You need to clean up your mind, open your mind to something that's different and new. You have to understand unemployment is extremely high now. There are hundreds and thousands and millions of people looking for ways to make money online. They don't have jobs, or their jobs are not paying as much. People, there's so many people out there that are looking for this program. It's your once you join this program, it's your responsibility to share this with them. And when I say share, I'm not talking about calling them and explaining them. What I mean by share is to simply give them your website address, and that's it. Okay? That is literally it. That's all I'm asking you to do. Once you do that and they opt in, game over, my friend. Game over. You got them. You got them. And over a period of time, they will be joining your program because we have this automation in place that does all the talking, explaining, selling, convincing for you, so you do not have to do it. Okay? Again, people think in the back of their mind, can I do this? Can I do this? When they see this, when they go through the whole step 1 through 4, they say to themselves, yes, I can do this. Yes, I can place free ads on Facebook. Yes, I can place a few ads on Craigslist or Instagram, and have people just come to the website. I can do that, and that's the thing. That's why I've been so successful, because I just put my website everywhere. I really do. And then, and I built a pipeline of people, and I'm patient. I know they're not going to sign up right away, but tonight got a call from a guy. Where was he from? Virginia Beach, I think it was. He's interested. He's coming in at the platinum level and he's going to get an upgrade. I was going to say something too. And right now we have a free upgrade special. Okay, whatever level you come in at, then you are automatically upgraded to the next level for free. Absolutely no strings attached. Okay, this won't go on forever, so I'm strongly advising you don't wait around and say, well, I'll wait, don't do that. Please, whatever you don't do that. Yeah. So I got a call from him, and he's coming, and he said, well, I got to get, Thursday I'm going to get paid, so I'm going to go ahead and come in at the $1,000 level. And that's like $600 for me. And, how did I do this? He saw one of my videos on YouTube, and he called me and talked for a little while, and I said, look, man, just go to the website. He went to the website, and guess what? He called me tonight and said, hey, Brian, I'm in. That's all. Now, how hard was that? I didn't have to talk to him and convince him. No, I said, let my website, let automation take over. Let it, and that's what I do. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, here we go. Sorry. That's all I do, right? Simple as that. So, am I missing anything? I guess I'm not missing anything. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So, if you are interested in this program, go to my website. It's called make500perweek.com. Make500perweek.com. Take a look at it. This is the website right here. Take a look at it. And then if you have any questions afterward, okay, you can always give me a call. My number is 919-999-8154. Try to call me before 9 o'clock because I try to get not my beauty rest, but some sleep. I like to rest my body and everything. So, with that being said, I want to say again, thanks so much for deciding to take a look at my website and watch this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so at this time. Make sure you hit the little ring bell, the little bell there, so that you get videos every time I make a video. And I'm thinking I will probably make one tomorrow evening, because I'm expecting something in the mail. Yeah, it's gonna be good. But I'll make another video tomorrow. So hope you guys have a great evening, and I'll chat with you later. And make sure, again, make500perweek.com. Go to that website right now. Don't hesitate. Right now. Questions, give me a call right there. Talk to you guys later. Have a good night.